Hello students, this is your chemistry teacher Rahul Mahajan sir, teaching in Sri T.P. Bhatia College of Science, and I want to present to you the answers for the chemistry assignment which you have got based on chapter classification of halogen derivative and IUPAC nomenclature of all functional groups. Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mahajan discussing with you all the answers which are given in the MCQs along with the reference of the textbook of 11th or 12th which is appropriate in that context. Beginning with the first question, the general formula of alkyl halide. Answer A, reference 11th standard textbook page number 209 in the table of functional group. Question number second, how many structural isomers are possible for a compound with molecular formula C3H7Cl? The answer for this question is A. The reference of the same is in the 12th standard textbook of PDF format, page 211. Question number 3. Ethylidene dibromide is. Answer C. Reference 11th page 249. Type of dihalide in which two halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom are known as alkylidene dihalide, that is geminal dihalide. Question number 4. Which of the following halide is a 2-degree alkyl halide? Answer A. Alkyl halide in which halogen atom is attached to 2-degree carbon atom is known as 2-degree alkyl halide. The reference of the same can be obtained from 12th standard PDF book page number 211. Question number 5. Haloform is trihalogen derivative of. Answer C, methane. Haloform is obtained by replacement of 3 hydrogen atoms of methane by 3 halogen atoms. The word form is derived from formic acid. Question number 6. The compound which contains all 4 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and 4 degree carbon atom. Answer B, 3-ethyl 2,3-dimethyl pentane. The reference of the same can be obtained in 11th standard textbook page 210. Question number 7. Which of the following halide is 1 degree alkyl halide? Answer D, neohexyl chloride. In the above example, halogen is attached to primary carbon atom, hence it is 1 degree alkyl halide. Reference 12th standard PDF format, book page 211. Question number 8. How many sigma and pi bonds are present in acetylene molecule? Answer C, 3 sigma and 2 pi bond. Reference page 69 of 11th standard textbook. Question number 9. The IUPAC name of tertiary butyl bromide is. Answer A, 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. Reference page 216 of 11th standard book. Question 10. IUPAC name of CH3 twice CH dash CH2 dash CH2Br. Answer B, 1-bromo 3-methyl butane. Reference page 216 of 11th standard book. Question number 11. Which of the following is an example of vicinal dihalide? Answer B. 1,2 dichloroethane. Dihalide in which two halogens are present on adjacent carbon atoms are known as vicinal dihalide. Reference page 241 of 11th standard book. Question number 12. What should be the correct IUPAC name of CH3, CH2, CH bracket Br, CH2Cl? Answer A. 2-bromo 1-chloro-butane. Reference page 212 of 11th standard book. Question 13. What should be the correct IUPAC name of CH3-CH bracket C2H pi dash CH2Br? Answer 1-bromo 2-methyl-butane. Reference 12th standard PDF book, page 212. Question 14. The general representation of amines is? Answer C. RNH2. 11th book, page 209. Question 15. Methanoic acid is an example of? Answer C. Carboxylic acid. Reference page 209, 11th book. Question 16. Which of the following is not a functional group containing oxygen? Answer D. Halide X. Reference page 209, 11th book. Question 17. Formula of methanol is? Answer A. CHO is an aldehyde group. Reference page 209 of 11th book. Question 18. The formula of functional group of ester is? Answer C. COOR. Reference page 209 of 11th book. Question 19. Which of the following represents alcohol? Answer A. OH group represents alcohol. Reference page 209 of 11th book. Question 20. Ethyl ethanoate is? Answer D. Ester. Reference page 209 of 11th book. Question 21. In aldehyde, the carbonyl group is attached to? Answer B. Alkyl group and hydrogen is attached to the carbonyl group. Reference page 209 of 11th book. Question 22. Which of the following functional group is present in ketone compounds? Answer A. C double bond O is a ketonic group. Reference page 209 of 11th book. Question 23. IUPAC name of CH3, CH in bracket OH, CH2, CH2, COOH is? Answer A. Reference page 216 of 11th book. Question 24. IUPAC name of CH3, CH2, CH bracket NH2 CH3. Answer B. 2-aminobutane or butane 2-amine. Reference page 216 of 11th book. Question 25. IUPAC name of C2H5 twice CH2 CH2OH. Answer A. 2-ethyl butane 1-ol. Reference page 216 of 11th book. Well students, I hope you must have found the answers of these MCQs in the relevant context very appropriate Please do share your comments on this channel and also subscribe to our YouTube channel of college for more such videos. Thank you all of you.